Do you want to start a business in Uganda? If yes, you are in the right place. Here are the most profitable small business ideas in Uganda. So, today I'll be sharing with you 5 profitable businesses to start with less capital come 2023. Yes, guys, it's never too late. So, today I'll be sharing with you some of the best businesses you can consider. So, first one on the list is mobile phone repair business. Smartphones have wide popularity and usage in Uganda. Therefore, you can start a mobile phone repairing business in this country. So if you don't have this skill, please kindly find someone who can train you on this skill so that you can be able to do this kind of business. Yes. Another kind of a business to consider is the mobile money business. Yes, today in Uganda, mobile money is one of the means of payments which is used and is one of the most used money transfer systems in Uganda. So you can use this to become also an agent or to start up this kind of business whereby you'll be doing transfers. Yes, when you send money to different people or when people come and make withdrawals, you'll be able to earn some money through commission. So here you need to look for a busy place because this one is also a business where it is a game of numbers. The more customers you get, the more commission you will get. So another kind of business here, we are going in transportation business here. That means it will be Boda Boda. Yes, Boda Boda is much in demand here in Uganda. Most of the people use it, so it's a good business idea. So if you can get a stage where you can be staging so that you can work, or you can get some contacts around your area whereby you can be people can be calling you so that you can pick them up from their homes to different areas. Boda Boda business would be very more profitable for you. So with Boda Boda business, you'll need like 2M to get a good motorcycle. Then depending on your money, then you'll be able to start up this kind of business. So another kind of business is watermelon farming. Yes, watermelon is one of the favorite fruits of Ugandans. Hence, watermelon farming is a very, very good business idea for you. The fertile soil of the country is very good for growing watermelons. Yes, so if you can go ahead and get land or you can rent out some land, you can be able to grow these watermelons. Yes, we are heading in January, and January is somehow a wet season. A hot season. But if you can do watering, you can be able to grow these melons and be able to get some good turn up or a lot of profits from these fruits. So January is a hot season, so most people prefer these fruits which are watery. Yes, they form as refreshments, and also they help in making different types of juice. So here, that's where watermelons come in from. So consider watermelon business if you want to make some good money come 2023. So this one is also a very good business idea, so you can make more research, deep dig into it so that you can be able to make some good money. So another kind of business here to consider is the computer repair and maintenance. The digital system of Uganda is in constant need of repair services. If you have the skill, you can start your computer repair and maintenance business in Uganda. Yes, so if you have that skill, or if you are able to learn that skill, then you can be able to get some good money. Yes, through simple repairs, might be window installation, desk repairs, uh, and other different things which concern with computers. So if you also have skills in networking, or you can do networking, then that's also an added advantage. So this kind of business, you can combine it with phone repairs, but it's always better to major in one kind of business whereby you get unique customers. Yes, at a different good timing. So computer repair business is profitable, whereby most people now use computers. Different organizations, students, so they will be in need of replacing different things. It could be RAM, keyboards, maybe, and other things like that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out.